Hello everyone, this is Prabhanja Singh. So today we will talk about how to start my career in software testing, and we will discuss about what should I learn, what are the testing tools, what are the process and methods under testing. So yeah, many people ask me about these questions and how we can enter in software testing world. So, as I have almost 10 year of experience as a QA, as a DevOps, and for few years I have worked as a developer. So I have idea how to start our career in software testing. So let's see in next slide. The first thing we need to learn about concept of manual testing, and then we will see what other things we need to learn. So under manual testing we need to know about white box testing, black box testing, gray box testing. So under black box testing we can see the functional testing, we can see the non-functional testing, and we have various type of functional and non-functional testing. So under functional testing, we have to learn unit, integration, system testing. Even unit testing is performed by the developer, but as a manual tester, we need to know about what exactly the unit testing is. And integration testing. So integration testing is performed by the tester. Means for two other module, where while we integrate or while the system is getting integrated, we need to test about the integration between the two module. And under integration testing, the incremental testing and non-incremental testing is there, and we can learn about top down and bottom up. We should learn non-functional testing as well, like this is performance testing, usability and compatibility testing. So performance testing, we can see that load testing, stress testing, and scalability, stability testing, everything. So we need to know each and everything under the manual testing. If someone is asking about what is the performance testing, so you need to answer properly that what exactly the performance testing is. Once you have idea about the manual testing, then you can think that yeah, my theoretical part is okay and I have knowledge about the testing. Okay, so we will see what we need to learn along with the manual testing. It will be beneficial for a tester if we learn API testing as well, using several tools available in market. So we can use Postman, we can use SOAP UI, and many more tools are available for API testing. So what exactly the API is? API stand for the application programming interface. They are basically collection of the function and procedures which allow us to communicate to application or library. How we do testing using API? So we can use Postman, as I have mentioned. We can use Postman and SoapUI and other tools. So we can put the methods get, add, put, post, delete, and we can fetch the data, we can download the data, we can put the data. Let's see another slide. So with the manual testing, SQL is also necessary. So in SQL, we can learn about the key element of a database, relational keys, select queries, join, which is inner and outer join, data modeling, and many more. Well, why SQL is necessary? Sometimes we use database. We check the data from the database. Suppose as a tester, we are entering data on the form, and we have to test that particular data is appearing in the database, it is appearing properly in database or not. Suppose I am entering age as a 50 on a form, so I need to go to the database, I need to verify those data, age is appearing 50 or not. If it is not appearing, that means it is a bug, and if it is appearing, that is good for a tester and for the quality purpose. So yeah, SQL is also necessary if you are going with the manual testing only. Next slide. Most of the companies are using agile process, and under agile process most organizations are using Scrum framework. So under Scrum team, the product owner developer, tester, and scrum masters are there. So in this team, scrum master is responsible for all the meetings. Scrum master will be responsible for every impediments, and if there is any impediments, scrum master can solve. So and product owner will be responsible for product backlog. So whatever the inputs comes from the customer, the product owner will be responsible to create the backlogs, and by prioritizing the backlog, he or she will create the sprint backlog. So under sprint planning, they will decide that what are the tasks need to go in sprint. Most of the organization are keeping their sprint duration as 2 weeks. As usual, we mostly use 2 weeks sprint duration. But on daily basis, the team are deciding or team are talking that what we have done yesterday, what we need to do today to complete or to complete our project. Review and demo also should be there. If you want, I can create a detailed video on Scrum Framework. So you have to learn about the Scrum Framework. Once you're done with your manual testing concept, API testing, and SQL queries, so you can learn about the Selenium tool, which is a open source tool, and you can automate from this automation tool. This will be really good initiative to learn Selenium as well, but once you get the job in manual using database testing and API testing, you can learn about the Selenium. Also, if it will be good if you can learn about the performance tools. There are so many tools available in the market like Load Ninja, JMeter, Wave Load UI, App Loader, and Load Runner. I will recommend you should go with the JMeter because it is really good tool. We can do performance testing and load testing using the JMeter. Also the bug tracking tool or test management tool, we can learn bug tracking tool as well. Like Jira is the most popular bug tracking tool, so it will be very good if you can learn Jira tool. So these are the detail about the testing tools process. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.